auto means self. Whenever our own body system is uh, acting against us, means I am a living body. If my immune system is working against on my body system, that is called autoimmunity. So, in this case, the popular example is rheumatoid arthritis, the joint uh, uh, disease, joint appendages disease, where some pain is there, and this shape and size of this finger of this like changed, like you can see the picture also here. Here normal hand, and one is in this picture you can see rheumatoid arthritis hand, where bone has got eroded, means bone has some damage, and bone also displaced position, normal position. So what is happening exactly, what is happening in this system here? Higher vertebrates, in higher this classes of like mammalia, aves, memory based acquired immunity evolved based on the ability to differentiate foreign organ from cells. Actually this happens naturally. We are having self cells and the foreign antigens which enters into our body. Immune system has power to differentiate between these two. This is my own cells, and this is foreign cell or foreign particle. Then the foreign part against that foreign particle, node against our own self cell. But sometime due to some genetic problem or some unknown reasons, the body attacks self cells, resulting into the damage to the body. Means this is happening against our body. This is happening against our own body, and this is called autoimmune disease. Example is rheumatoid arthritis, where bones are displaced and bone erosion has taken place. So this is happening in autoimmunity. This is only 2 lines are there in this topic. You can study. Clear? Everyone clear? Yes?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will study one important topic. Someone want to join? Actually, no one is there. Okay. That is AIDS. And whenever asked, people cannot differentiate between HIV and AIDS. Can anyone tell me what is the full form of HIV and what is this? Anyone, please.
Human immunodeficiency virus.
Human immunodeficiency virus. Some are calling it human immunovirus. No, that is fully wrong. Human immunodeficiency virus. I will make the each and every term of that particular virus abbreviation. And AIDS is immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immuno means acquired immunity is mad deficient. Deficient means mad weaker, and syndrome means group of symptoms. So full form of this one is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Means in this actually this is not a disease. This is a group of where the acquired immunity is made deficient by that particular virus. Acquired immunity means that immunity which is generated after interaction of that particular pathogen in our body. That is known as acquired immunity. And what is happening in this AIDS actually disease, this system is made deficient or weaker, and then the person will not overcome the infections, furthermore infections which are causing by different pathogens. So death is 100% certain in this disease. Okay. Okay. So what is happening in this AIDS? It is deficiency of immune system. Already discussed. Syndrome means group of symptoms caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, and import this virus having RNA genome. What is that? Genome is RNA. What is that? Genome of this virus is RNA, and that's why it is known as retrovirus. So can anyone tell me what is the meaning of this retro word here? Can anyone? This is made up of two words, reverse transcription. Why this word is used? Because whenever this virus attacks our cells, it inserts the RNA. What inserted? RNA is inserted, then RNA is made into DNA. RNA is converted into DNA first, then its DNA will be copied. So the process which we have discussed in, one second, where we have discussed in central dogma. Central dogma was given by which scientist? Anyone tell me? Yes? Yes, anyone? You must know because you have studied and already taken the test. Central dogma was given by which scientist?
Francis Crick.
Francis Crick. Right, very good. So, in the central dogma given there, DNA is RNA by the process of transcription, and RNA is converted into protein by process of translation. When in viruses, what is happening? Sometimes this process is reversed. The transcription process is reversed. Means RNA is changed into DNA. So that process is known as what? Reverse transcription. Reverse transcription. So I am writing only two initial letters of that process. Reverse ka RE and then transcription say TR. So this word retro is made from this one, RETR, reverse transcription. So I think you have understood why the virus is known as retrovirus, and this question is asked many times. Why HIV is retrovirus? Again understand, this virus is having genome RNA, and when this RNA genome is inserted or into our body, this RNA is, because our genetic material, human's genetic material is what? What is the genetic material of human? Yes? DNA. So if the virus want to make its own millions of numbers, the RNA is to be converted into DNA. So that process is known as reverse transcription. So RNA will be converted into DNA, then its many copies will be made, and then again the DNA will be converted into RNA here, and many virus will come out of that particular infected cell. But the name is written here, reverse transcription, and that name two first letters are taken and the retrovirus word is made. AIDS was first reported in America, not in America, it is written wrongly actually, typo error, Africa. In Africa in 1981. Africa is also the birthplace of human. First human was found in the Africa continent, and the AIDS disease was also found in Africa continent. In last 25 years, 25 millions, more than that, people have been killed by this deadly virus. Transmission, how it's spread from one infected person to healthy person. Sexual contact with infected person if precautions are not taken. And second one is transmission of contaminated blood and blood products, sharing of infected needles. Nowadays this practice is stopped everywhere, but whenever you go to any hospital, take care of this thing. If use needles, syringes are used, nursing staff or doctor, that this is being happening, don't use that one. You can tell me. And fourth one is from infected mother to her child through placenta. This can spread from this to this. Okay, so four means are there by which this virus can spread from infected person to healthy person, and AIDS is caused. I think this is very simple, and this simple question is asked again and again in board exam also. So who are at of getting this HIV infection? Individuals with multiple sexual partners, one is this one. Second one, individuals who require repeated blood transfusions because they need to go hospitals many times, and there will be some cases that infected blood may be given to that particular people. Chances may be there, but blood banks take care of this one whenever there are experts are there. But sometimes they keep not expert people, then this problem may occur. Third one, drug addicts who take drugs intravenously through injection. Intravenously means in veins. The injection, whenever we are taking any injectable medicine, that is in most of the cases that is put in the veins only. So drug addicts whenever take the drugs and used syringes are taken many times, and if any person who has taken previously the drug from that syringe, and if he or she is infected, that disease may spread if the used syringes are used again and again. Fourth one, children born to an HIV mother. The test must be done before the pregnancy that this mother is HIV negative. But one surprise case has I have read last year in newspapers that one lady who was HIV positive, but the child born was HIV negative. That was a surprise, but that doesn't happens. Not a, okay. Transmission is this one, and HIV doesn't spread by mere touch or physical contact. Means you are doing handshake with a HIV infected person, that will not spread. If you are eating food with that particular fellow, that will not spread. It only spreads through body fluids, that is lymph or blood. One can one. Kissing, hugging, sharing food, insect bites, toilet seats, bathing, sneezes and coughing, sweat. This is how this spread. There is time lag from few months to 5 to 10 years between the infection and appearance of symptoms. Actually, what is happening, if any person who is infected, initial years, that person will not be having any problem. This is because viruses are not in many numbers. But after 10 years, after some months or 5 to 10 years, that virus will grow in enormous number in that particular person's body, and the symptoms will occur. But it will take some time. Okay. The great question is that how this virus is replicating and how it is making its own copies. This is a big question and very, very important question. We will discuss it here. Okay. You see this PPT, I am drawing the diagram here. Okay. So, one second. I'm making one cell. Is it visible now? Both windows. One is PDF, PPT, and another one is whiteboard. Is it visible to all of you? And you can see whatever I am writing here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is happening whenever this virus is coming here? Virus is having genome RNA. Whole genome doesn't enter into the cell because the code which is I have made in blue is medaboprotein that will be outside, and this genome is which is I have made in red is RNA genome. Whenever this virus attaches to the cell animal, and this RNA genome is entered into that particular cell, then this RNA genome will be converted into DNA by which enzyme? Reverse transcriptase. What is the virus? Reverse transcriptase virus. This enzyme is there, and the enzyme which is used is of particular cell, of that infected cell, and this reverse transcriptase enzyme comes into DNA, into DNA, and process is taking place in the cytoplasm of that infected cell, and this DNA enters into the nucleus of that particular infected cell, and I am drawing this DNA in the nucleus. This is nucleus, okay, and is integrated into this one, integrated into this particular DNA of that infected cell. Means if I am drawing this DNA, this part is the part which is drawn by blue is of virus. Understand this one. This is of virus, and the DNA which is drawn in bluish color is of animal cell. So the DNA of virus which is made from RNA is integrated into our cell's DNA, and whenever our DNA is replicated, the viral DNA will also get replicated, and many copies of that particular virus DNA is made, and then after many cycles this DNA is converted back into RNA, and that will come out from this nucleus, and many virus will be made here, and they will dissolve the cell, means they will break the cell's membrane and will come out, infect others, and the cycles will go on. So I will repeat what is happening here again. RNA genome enters into an animal cell, and reverse transcriptase enzyme converts the RNA into DNA, and this DNA is of virus HIV, and this DNA enters into the nucleus of that particular cell, and it is integrated with our own DNA, and whenever our DNA is replicated, the viral DNA is also replicated, and after many cycles the viral DNA is converted into viral RNA genome, and that will come out from the nucleus into cytoplasm, and then this virus will make covering surrounding the genome, and full virion or virus particle will be made, and that will come out from the cell and infect the healthy cells. So this is happening in the amplification of retrovirus. Any problem here, you can ask me. Yes, students, please ask if you have any problem. Okay, I will explain from this one. So here what is happening, my cursor is moving here. Retrovirus is inserting its viral RNA into cell, and viral DNA produced by reverse transcriptase, and viral DNA into host genome. Host genome means our that cell, animal cells DNA, and DNA is replicated and many made DNA made, and that is converted again into RNA, and new viral RNA is and again is coating for the protein coat, and new viruses are made, and new viruses can infect other cells. So this is happening in this case. Is it clear? So how this is happening? This is given in this PPT page. Virus enters the body, and macrophages are infected first. So question is asked, which are the cells which are infected first in case of HIV infection? Are the cells which are infected first, and RNA replicates in the presence of reverse transcriptase form viral DNA. Viral DNA incorporated into host DNA. Infected cell produce viral particles. HIV enters into T helper cells, T lymphocytes, and many copies are produced. Again, they attack Th more healthy Th cells, T helper lymphocytes, and T helper cells number will decrease. So this is how our immune system is weakened by this particular virus, and overall immunity of our system is damaged by this virus. So how many cells are mentioned here? Macrophage and T helper lymphocyte. Macrophage is also part of our immune system. So this is how our immune system is made uh, made weakened by this virus. So this is life cycle of the rest of the things we will see later on. Okay, thank you.